Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then click on system. Following that, tap on About Phone section and click on Device Name. Now you can type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, tap on OK in the pop-up. Then confirm your choice by choosing OK in the other one, about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Asus has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!